Hello, I'm Diane. I am from the Manchester area. I have a son called Craig who is 30 years old but only the mental age of 15, possibly even less. He's currently in prison because there was no safeguarding there for him. This is an appeal for people out there, if they've got vulnerable adults, you know, people do not hear their voices, they just don't listen to them.
So how does it make you feel that neither your son nor you are being listened to?
It makes me very angry. It's quite upsetting. Can't do nothing. I'm not sleeping, nothing. So wrong. So please sign the petition.
Are you ever going to give up on your son?
No, no. And I'll prove he's innocent. And people know out there he's innocent and all. They just won't come forward. And I'll help him the best way I can. No matter how long it takes me, I will keep fighting and fighting till these people come forward.
Do you speak to your son now while he's in prison?
Yes, I do. I speak to him and he's so angry. He's all confused. He can't understand why he's in there when he hasn't done anything wrong. Not what they say anyway. And I will fight, I'll fight, I'll fight. I don't care if it takes me 10 years. I'll keep fighting.
Why do you think social services don't listen?
Because I think they just want him locked up. It's better for them. So they don't have to deal with things. And that's wrong. That's all he's ever had in his past. But he's got an heart of gold, and he tells you the truth. If he's done it, he'll tell you he's done it. And he won't lie to you.
He was recently in court. How did you feel the trial went?
The trial did not go very well. I thought he didn't have a fair trial, and he didn't.
What makes you think or say that he had an unfair trial?
Well, two witnesses were saying different, and then the girl, she was saying different to one of the witnesses, and then the jury made their mind up before we even started the trial. As long as I'm living, I ain't giving up. Social services mine, but I'm not. It's all what's better for them, innit?
Have you told anyone else, as well as social services, about this?
I told lots of people. I was speaking to a lady the other day, and one minute she's dead sympathy to me, which I don't want sympathy. At the end of the day, it's my son what's in there. And then next minute she's saying different things to me.
What do you think's made her change her mind?
She had a meeting. She had a meeting with Portons, and she's just talking different about it now. So it's something whatever's said in that meeting.
Just tell us a little bit about Craig's personal file.
All these things on Craig's file, where things have never happened. There's one on there with it says that Craig's raped my daughter. That's not true. My daughter's old enough now, she's 31. All people has to do is ask her, question her about it, and she'll tell them. And then Craig's supposed to have beaten me up with a baseball bat. Well, don't you think I would have gone to the hospital if he did that?
Have you challenged social services about these inaccuracies on the file?
Yes, I did. And they said it cannot be took off, which I think is wrong. But at the end of the day, I asked them who's put it on Craig's file. They said they don't know. Someone has put that on his file, and that is wrong.
Have they taken any measures at all to correct
They've
the file?
just put a note on it to say that the family have denied this has happened to them. That is all they've done. And we did ask them to take it off. They said they can't take it off, but they don't know who's put it on. You might have a son or a daughter out there, or someone you might know. We need to get this law changed. If not, they could be next.